Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show how I made this very beginner friendly crochet sweater. For this sweater I found a really pretty blue and pink polyester yarn that I thought would go well together in a fun sweater. For this project, a measuring tape will come in handy, and you also need a tapestry needle to sew all the pieces together. The crochet hook I used for this project is a 5.5mm hook. Here are the two front pieces of this sweater. For these I just chained 42 and then I made 54 rows of half double crochet. For the back panels I chained 52 and then I made 54 rows of half double crochet. For the sleeves I chained 64 and then I made 48 rows of half double crochet. After you have crocheted all these pieces for the sweater, it's time to create the ribbing and the cuffs. The cuffs will be made by chaining 12 and then creating about 22 rows of half double crochet in the back loop only. For the ribbing at the bottom I chained 11 again and then I just made rows of half double crochet in the back loop only until I had pieces that were long enough. And then for the ribbing at the front around the opening I made a chain of 6 and then I again created rows of half double crochet in the back loop only until I had a ribbing that was long enough to go around the whole opening. When you have crocheted all your pieces for the sweater, it might be a good idea to lay all the pieces out on the floor just to get an idea of how you're going to sew them all together. And then it's time to take piece by piece and sew everything together until you have your finished sweater. I hope you like my design for a very beginner friendly crochet sweater. It's actually my favorite piece right now. It's so cozy and warm. And if you make this sweater, please let me know and tag me because I would love to see it. I think it would be cute in many different color combinations. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.